Want to know how to turn your forms into full-on sales funnels? Stick with me because by the end of this video, you'll be able to transform basic forms into automated systems that drive more leads and close more sales. It's quicker than you might think, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. First off, think about the basic form you've probably already set up, something like a contact form or a lead capture form. This is where it starts, but we're going to make it work harder for you by integrating it into a full sales funnel. Why? Because just having a form is not enough to engage prospects or guide them through the buyer journey. We need to create a pathway for them to take action. Step 1. Trigger a sequence right after the form submission. When someone submits a form, don't just thank them for their info and leave it at that. Use this moment to engage them immediately. Set up a series of automated emails or messages that trigger based on the form submission. These could be confirmation emails, special offers, or a personalized thank you that introduces them to your services in more detail. This keeps your prospect engaged right after they show interest. Step 2. Create multiple entry points. You don't want your funnel to be a one-size-fits-all. Depending on what the user filled out on your form, you can have multiple funnels. For instance, if someone fills out a form saying they're interested in a consultation, you can funnel them into a high-touch process with follow-up calls or personalized emails. But if they're just looking for a free resource, you might push them into an automated email sequence that guides them through content and drives them to a low-barrier offer. The key here is personalization. Use the form data to segment your audience and give them the right path to follow. Step 3. Use upsells and cross-sells. Once someone is in your funnel, don't just stop after one offer. Add a step for upsells or cross-sells once you have their attention. After they submit the form and they've gotten the initial information or offer, present them with additional options that might interest them based on their original interest. This is what turns a basic funnel into a revenue-generating machine. Step 4. Add retargeting and re-engagement. This is where a lot of people miss out. If someone drops off after filling out the form, it's not the end of the road. Use retargeting ads or re-engagement emails to bring them back into your funnel. This can be done automatically, keeping your funnel running even while you're asleep. Step 5. Track and optimize. Finally, don't forget to monitor the performance of your funnel. Keep an eye on conversion rates, email open rates, and where people drop off. By tracking this data, you can continuously optimize the flow, improving engagement and boosting sales. Now, all of this might sound complicated, but don't worry. It's actually a lot simpler than it sounds when you use the right software. We'll be using a highly recommended software for this process. And if you want to follow along, I've included an exclusive free trial in the description below just for viewers of my channel. This trial gives you access to all the features needed to set up forms, funnels, and automated sequences without breaking a sweat. Key takeaway. Turning forms into full-on sales funnels is about automation, segmentation, personalization, upselling, and re-engagement. If you implement all of this, you'll not only gather leads, but nurture them into long-term customers. Remember, the secret to making this work is setting up automated systems that engage, follow up, and optimize for conversions. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's your chance to start building these sales funnels right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.